No, no, okay. Stop, stop, stop. No, stop.
What does it mean to be a good father? I'm trying to find an answer for that question, and it's hard. It's hard to be a good dad, I think, a good parent in general. I've been trying to think about that, and so I came into Brooks's room. Brooks Taylor, it's my son's name. I always kind of thought it sounded like a country singer's name, and I'm gonna spend some time thinking about it and see if I can't figure out what I think it means, and maybe write a book about it. They say that your first book shouldn't be the one that's closest to your heart. And I tell people that all the time when I'm helping them decide what to write a book about, but for some reason when it came to mine, I just got really excited about writing about being Brooks's dad. The truth is, I'm not ready to write a book about being Brooks's dad. There's so much that I'm learning every single day, and for me, the only thing I really know is that I just have to be there for him. Just be present with him. And if I can do that, maybe someday I will learn enough and have enough experiences to actually write a book about fatherhood. But for now, I'm just going to focus on him and focus on actually being his dad. And I will write about it another time.
Okay, I got it. I finally figured it out. And it was so painful, it was so difficult, but it felt amazing when I got there, and it was not what I expected at all. You see, like, the thing that I didn't want to write about, the thing that I told everyone I didn't want to write about was the thing that I'm really good at, right? It was the thing that I know best. It was the thing that I feel like I can do naturally. And honestly, it's sales and marketing. It's something I've always been pretty good at. And so I knew I could write a book about that, right? I knew there was something in there, like whatever it was, whether it was how to sell without being a jackass, whether it was like how to go build a sales pipeline, like selling at events. I didn't know which one, but I finally just decided that's it.